Hi students, and welcome to week 4 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week we will continue on with the same age range of infancy for the first 2 years of life that we were in last week. But last week we focused on the physical changes and growth patterns. This week we will look at the social emotional development during this age range. So let's take a look at your module. Here is your PowerPoint for this chapter. Don't forget going over here and reading chapter 4 that you have access to that. Your assignments for this week are a journal assignment, a Connect assignment, and then your chapter 4 quiz. So you've been doing a great job so far. Just a reminder, you have 4 total journals this semester. You did a great job on the first journal. So the rules, the assignment stays the same. The only thing that really changes here are the questions. So again, I'm looking for more or less 1 page, double spaced, regular size font as a minimum to thoroughly answer these questions. But of course, your journal can be as long as you want it to be. Journaling is a great way to reflect on your own experiences and apply it to the learning that's happening at this point in the chapter. So don't forget to answer all parts of this question here. So 3 assignments due, I guess that's 6, 3 assignments due this week. Your Connect assignment for this chapter, your journal number 2, and then your quiz over this chapter. As always, if there's anything I can help you with, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great week, everybody.